Today I would like to talk about how to find a hobby. Hobbies not only make life more enjoyable, but also have a positive impact on stress relief, self-growth, and human relationships. So how do you find a hobby? Here are 3 ways to do so. 1. Make a list of your hobbies and interests. First, it is important to make a list of your likes and interests. Think about what interests you, what gives you joy and a sense of accomplishment, and what you want to spend your time and money on. As you make your list, keep the following points in mind. Write it down as it comes to mind. Write down a wide range of topics, from concrete to abstract. Even if it's something you've never done before, or something you think you're not good at, if you're interested, write it down. Write down only the things you like or are interested in. Once you have made your list, select the ones that you find particularly interesting or appealing. That's your hobby. 2. Explore potential hobbies. Next, it's important to research potential hobbies. By knowing what a candidate hobby does, what kind of charm and enjoyment it has, and what kind of preparations and conditions are necessary, you can judge whether it suits you or not. Try searching on the internet. You can find a wealth of information, reviews, videos, images, etc. about hobby candidates. Try to use keywords when searching. For example, beginner, merit, etc. Look it up in books and magazines. Books and magazines provide detailed information on specialized knowledge, techniques, practical examples, and testimonials related to potential hobbies. 3. Try and continue. It is very important to actually experience potential hobbies. When looking for hobbies, you won't know the true appeal of your hobby or its compatibility with yourself just by looking it up on the internet or in books. By actually experiencing it, you can know the atmosphere and sense of the hobby, enjoyment and difficulty. If you have friends, acquaintances, etc., who are doing things that fall under your candidate hobbies, it would be a good idea to let them join you. At that time, I think it would be a good idea to ask a lot of questions about how to enjoy and attract the hobby. Other options include participating in hands-on classes and workshops, observing and watching games, and using rentals and borrowed items. You can also get advice and information. If, after experimenting with a hobby, you feel like this isn't for you, that's okay. Try out different hobbies and find one that suits you. By continuing your hobby, you can acquire skills and knowledge. You can also meet and socialize with new people through your hobbies. Continuing your hobbies will make your life richer and more enjoyable. There are many people who become motivated to work if they can have a hobby. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel.